So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Eric Top Professional. So today we're going to be learning the curly hair, how to cut like concave layers. Since after a long time I bring back the concave layer concept and my client needed for something it's more uniformity and none of tail in the bottoms. So the center profile I just take separate and both sides it will be take with two sections going to be separate and the back portion it will be completely showing with each and everything it will be point and clearly. The concave layers which we done last time very long back, and now we come back with again for a fresh layers which help up for curly hair also. In the curly hair how it will be going to be looking forward and how it is going to be looking like a structure, all these things we're going to be seeing in this video very sure. So each and every haircut techniques and everything was mentioned step by step. So watch till the end, you will be understand proper video and you will be able to learn this haircut very easier way. And each and every haircut techniques and steps was mentioned in this video with very simple and easy techniques. So the front side section is got separated and help up to the comb balls I'm explaining. Back portion is completely two sections are gathered and it will be taken to the forward. Now just before going to be start the layers and just giving to one line basic haircut. Started with one line basic haircut now. Now I start to the layering. I'll pick from the center profile and exactly in this elevating to the O direction. Rest of the head just cutting it. Why? Because I want to be save the length and add top of that layer. So that's what I'm just taking to the O direction of concave layers. So this is one of the simple techniques who wants to be save their length and add some layers. So this is something like best technique forever to add layers and save the length as well. So almost one side section is going to be finished. And I'll come to another side. And that too is going to finish. So in this haircut techniques we just pick from pivoting section and each and every point was going to be cleanly finished. Now I'll come to the side portion. Before going to be add the layers, I'm just giving to one line basic. Now I pick from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair I'm just converting to the layers. Now I come to another side. This last section is going to be pending. Going to finish. Now before that I'm just giving to the one line basic. On top of that I'm just creating layers and I stationary guideline pick from the back and rest of the hair converting in the layers. It's almost done. Now I'm just showing with messy layers after the haircut before blow dry. And just showing ponytail as well. Now we are styling. And always I used to do with spiral blow dry with each and every haircut, especially long hair. Another side is going to be finished. Come to side portion. It's completely finished, and before that you can just see the flexibility of layers. So this is complete of overall the final look up to the concave layers. It's pretty much simple to do the haircut and techniques and steps, each and everything by mentioned by step, and that is a great things to be can just ever see. See the front face, it will be looking so nice and clean and flexible look after the haircut. So this is the things which can be techniques are using with saving the length and consistently top of that adding layers. Something is more better than before. You can just see the bouncier movement on the haircut and lot more things got changed with simple techniques. So hope you all are enjoyed the video. Please, if you like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So after the haircut, it will be styling, it will be giving to the texture, the flexibility, long lasting layer purpose. I'm just adding the texture overall. So in this, if you have any questions or queries or inquiries, please let me know comments below. I'll definitely update for you all those things. And if you really like the video, please hit the like button. And this video I'm expecting minimum 500 likes and hope to deserve to for get a likes and all. So really, if you like the video, please do share with your friends. Do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and we'll be meet up back with again for next video. This is a final look, and that will be a looking forward very good in flexibility. Okay, then we'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.